Are you thinking about buying an SUV in 2025? Hold on. Before you spend your hard-earned money, there's something you need to know. Some SUVs on the market look great on the surface, but come with serious problems that could leave you stranded or broke before even hitting 50,000 kilometers. In this video, we'll reveal 10 SUVs you should absolutely avoid in 2025. These vehicles may have stylish designs, exciting features, or big marketing campaigns behind them, but don't let that fool you. Underneath all the flash, they hide major issues that will drain your wallet and test your patience. Let's dive in. Why you should care. When buying an SUV, reliability isn't just a bonus, it's essential. An SUV isn't just a car, it's an investment. Whether you're buying it for your family, daily commute, or long road trips, you need a vehicle that will stay dependable for years to come. Here's the reality. Many SUVs today are loaded with tech and features, but some manufacturers cut corners where it matters most: durability and reliability. These shortcuts might not be obvious at first, but over time, they'll show up in the form of costly repairs, frustrating breakdowns, and even safety risks. Think about it. Do you really want to spend your weekends at the mechanic's shop? Do you want to throw away thousands of dollars on repairs that could have been avoided by simply picking a better SUV? That's why we made this list, to help you avoid these costly mistakes. With so many models available, it's easy to get overwhelmed by shiny ads and bold promises. But the truth is, not all that glitters is gold. Let's make sure you don't end up regretting your decision. The SUVs you should avoid. 1. Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass is marketed as the perfect off-road adventure companion, but reality paints a different picture. This SUV is plagued with issues, from unreliable transmissions to electrical system failures. Owners report frequent visits to the mechanic, and the fuel economy is below average. Plus, the interior feels cheaply made and doesn't stand up to wear and tear. If you want an SUV that can handle trails and highways, the Compass isn't the one. 2. Nissan Rogue. At first glance, the Nissan Rogue looks like a solid choice. It's roomy, has good tech features, and offers a smooth drive. But here's the catch. Its CVT transmission is a nightmare for long-term reliability. Many owners complain about jerky acceleration, power loss, and even complete transmission failure. And these problems aren't cheap to fix. Combine that with subpar interior materials, and the Rogue is a gamble you shouldn't take. 3. Ford EcoSport. On paper, the Ford EcoSport looks promising. It's affordable and compact with decent tech options. However, it falls short where it matters most. The ride is uncomfortable, the engines are weak, and the fuel economy isn't competitive. Owners also report issues with build quality, from rattling noises to interior components breaking down. While it might save you money up front, the EcoSport's long-term problems will cost you more. 4. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse might seem like a great family SUV with its spacious 3-row seating, but don't let that fool you. This SUV struggles with reliability, with frequent reports of engine and transmission issues. Repairs are expensive, and its poor fuel efficiency makes it costly to drive. On top of that, its large size makes it hard to park and maneuver, especially in cities. A family SUV should be dependable, and the Traverse just isn't. 5. Volkswagen Tiguan. The Volkswagen Tiguan looks sleek and modern, but its long-term reliability is a problem. The turbocharged engine is prone to failure after higher mileage, and the DSG transmission often causes jerky shifts or outright failure. Maintenance costs are high, and while it offers a premium feel, the Tiguan ends up being more trouble than it's worth. If you're looking for a stylish yet dependable SUV, keep looking. 6. Fiat 500X. The Fiat 500X is undeniably stylish and compact, making it great for city driving. But that's where the positives end. This SUV suffers from underpowered engines, and its all-wheel drive system is known for being unreliable and expensive to fix. The interior might look charming, but it doesn't hold up over time. If you want a long-lasting SUV, the 500X isn't a smart choice. 7. BMW X1. Luxury SUVs are meant to combine performance and reliability, but the BMW X1 falls short. While it delivers sporty handling and a premium feel, frequent electrical issues, suspension problems, and high repair costs make it a headache to own. Even small problems like infotainment glitches can cost a fortune to fix. For its price, the X1's reliability issues are disappointing. 8. Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander offers 3-row seating at a competitive price, but its CVT transmission is its biggest weakness. Many owners complain about jerky shifts, acceleration problems, and complete transmission failure. Add to that a rough ride, a cheap-feeling interior, and an unreliable infotainment system, and you've got an SUV that's better left on the dealer lot. 9th. Land Rover Discovery Sport. Land Rover is known for luxury and off-road capability, but the Discovery Sport is notorious for being unreliable. Common issues include electrical failures, transmission problems, and engine malfunctions. Repairs are expensive, and maintenance costs are sky-high. Despite its premium look, the Discovery Sport is a gamble you don't want to take. 10. Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio is an SUV that impresses with its performance and design, but fails miserably in reliability. Owners report frequent electrical and mechanical issues, including problems with the engine, infotainment system, and transmission. Repairs are costly, and the breakdowns are far too common. While it's a joy to drive when it works, the Stelvio isn't worth the headaches. How these issues affect you. Now let's talk about how these problems impact you as an owner. It's not just about money. It's about your time, safety, and overall experience. Unreliable rides. Breaking down during a trip isn't just frustrating. It's unsafe and ruins your plans. Costly repairs. Fixing major issues like transmission or engine failures can cost thousands, leaving a hole in your pocket. Low resale value. These SUVs lose value quickly, meaning you'll get much less than expected if you decide to sell. Time wasted. Frequent trips to the repair shop take time you could spend enjoying life or traveling. Safety risks. Faulty parts increase the chances of accidents, putting you and your loved ones at risk. In the end, these SUVs don't just cost you money, they steal your time, energy, and peace of mind. Choose wisely. Conclusion and call to action. So there you have it, 10 SUVs you should avoid in 2025. They may look good on the surface, but their long-term issues make them bad investments. Don't fall for the hype. Do your research, read reviews, and make a smart choice. Have you owned any of these SUVs? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AO2Glaus, and hit the bell icon for more car reviews and buying tips. In the next video, we'll reveal the top SUVs to buy in 2025. These are reliable, efficient, and worth every penny. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching Rev Vantage.